failure is not the end of the world. In fact, failure is a necessary part of growth and success. Without failure, we wouldn't know what we're capable of. We wouldn't know what works and what doesn't. We wouldn't know how to improve ourselves and our skills. Think about it. Every successful person you admire has failed at some point. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination, and was told Mickey Mouse would never work. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first television job as an anchor. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. But they didn't give up. They embraced their failures and used them as stepping stones to success. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. So, embrace it, learn from it, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.